For this life, before you do things, make you put God first, cause the kind joy and happiness wey dey for this Mrs. Bliss traditional marriage ground. Person no fit talk, mouth no fit talk wetin dey happen. So much joy and jubilation, no be small thing. I go allow una make una watch the video, cause I don't want talk too much. I want una make una take una eyes dey see and hear wetin dey happen. Make you just turn on post notification, as enough jollification video dey as e dey hot. Now I go dey bring. I never see traditional wedding wey sweet like this Mrs. Bliss own. Everybody just dey happy, so much dance, so many jubilation. I dey happy for them. Make una watch the rest of the video. Turn on your post notification like I said. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Do well to subscribe. Follow this channel for more ogbonge news with the totori body. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.
Bless me with the precious jewel.
In-laws, you're welcome. Moses Bliss is in to take Marie away.
Son, to the Father, and of the Son. I told you now, still remember you said no. You will meet me. And of the Father, with this, we will please you here. And of the Son, no, we shall not accept the revolution thing. Shake up and see you. Then, we must obey our hero. We go beg you. If you give us this salam, we go happy and survey. Our hero, we go beg you. If you give us this salam, we go happy. One more time. Our hero, we go beg you. If you give us this salam, we go happy. Just so you know, and I'm very school, the ballet.
First look at Moses Bliss traditional wedding in Ghana.